Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Citizen how to withdraw. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these steps as well, it seems. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Citizen app, and then once you're inside here, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then on tapping it you won't find an option to withdraw, as the Citizen app itself doesn't handle financial transaction or withdrawals. It's primarily focused on delivering safety alerts, notification and updates. If you're referring to something like a payment or transfer feature within the Citizen app, it doesn't provide those functions. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. And for more information, what you can do is just simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar simply type in Citizen support, and once you're inside there, simply tap on the home page and contact an agent and tell them your problem, and they will provide detailed instructions to solve your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.